Hello, welcome to this lesson. In this very lesson, we're going to see how we can apply the one of the law of indices to solve these indical equations. So let us dive right in. Now, says question one says 4 raised to power x plus 4 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 1. Now we can see that on the left hand side the base is 4, while on the right hand side is 1. But we can re-express this one as 4 raised to power 0. Now that would be 4 raised to power x plus 4 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 4 raised to power 0. And now this is the same thing as 1. So we can see readily that on both the left and the right hand side, the bases are equal. So all we need to do is to equate the powers. Now what are the powers? Powers are x plus 4 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So by this, we don't need to waste much of our time because we already know that you don't. Now if two things multiplies to give us 0, for example, if A times B is equal to 0, is either A is equal to 0 or B will be equal to 0. So we are going to apply that theory here. So we have that we now say either x plus 4 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So that would mean for the very first case that x will be equal to minus 4, because when plus 4 crosses equality sign to the other side, it becomes minus 4. So, or this other case is 2x is equal to, we move the constant plus 1 to the other side, to the right hand side of the equation, it becomes minus 1. So that means minus 1. So again, this is x is equal to minus 4. Now we divide both sides by 2 here to get the value of x. So 2 into 2, we are left with x is equal to minus 1 over 2. So that means, therefore, x is equal to minus 4 or minus 1 over 2. That is pretty much it on the question 1. So now let us see how we can solve this question 2. Now to solve the question 2, let us write out the question 2. Question 2 says 4 raised to power x plus 4 times 12 is equal to 192. Now, what we are going to do in this problem is that we are going to, this is the same thing as saying 12 into 4 raised to power x plus 4 is equal to 192. So we are going to divide both sides by 12, okay? We'll divide both sides by 12. So that will be divided by 12 and divided by 12. So 12 into 12 cancels this 12. Now 12 into 192 is 16. So what we are left with here is 4 raised to power x plus 4 is equal to 16. Now this 16 can be re-expressed as the base of 4. Okay, now we have 4 raised to power x plus 4 is equal to 16, is the same thing as 4 times 4, which is 4 raised to power 2. So that will be 4 raised to power x plus 4 is equal to 4 raised to power 2. Once again, we can see that the bases are equal. So once the bases are equal, separated by equality sign, what we need to do is to equate the powers. So that will mean x plus 4 is equal to 2. So we collect like terms by moving all constants to the right hand side. And in doing that, we move plus 4 to this other side. It changes to minus 4 because it is crossing equality sign. So that would mean x is equal to 2 minus 4. Now, 2 minus 4 is the same thing as minus 2. So that is to say, therefore, x is equal to minus 2. So that's pretty much it on this one. Then the third question is 5 raised to power x times 25 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 1. So this also is a very simple case. Now these bases are not the same, but we can make 25 to be the same thing as b. We can express 25 to the base 5. So and that would be 5 raised to power x times 25 the same thing as 5 raised to power 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 1. So now what we need to do is to apply the law of indices that says that a raised to power y times a raised to power x, for instance, equal to a raised to power y plus x. So we apply that law here. The bases are the same. We take one and we add the powers. So that will mean 5 raised to power x plus 2 into x minus 1. X minus 1 is equal to 1. Now let us simplify that. We have 5 raised to power x plus 2 times x is 2x, plus times minus is minus, 2 times 1 is 2, and that will be equal to, now here this is 1, but we can re-express that as, since we have the base on the left hand side to be 5, we can express this one as 5 raised to power 0. So that will be 5 raised to power 0, because 5 raised to power 0 is also what? 1 in indices. Now, since we've done that, we can now see that the bases on the left and the right hand side are equal, so we equate the powers. So that would mean x plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we simplify this further. X plus 2x is 3x. Now we move this constant minus 2 to this way, it becomes plus 2. So that will be equal to, what is there before is 0 plus 2. So this is 3x is equal to 0 plus 2 is 2. Now to get the value of x, we divide both sides by 3. So this 3 cancels this 3. So what you have is, therefore, x is equal to 2/3, that is 2 over 3. So that's pretty much on this one. If you find this video useful, I would like you to comment, share your thoughts, tell me what you feel. Then don't forget to click on the notification bell icon below so that you get notified each time I upload videos like this. So again, I would like you to subscribe to this channel, so in that way YouTube gets it recommended to other persons that need similar content like this. So please, I think that's pretty much on this one. I will catch you on the next one. Bye.